Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to know what the format pointer option in Word, Excel and PowerPoint is and how to use it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. Now, if you have a certain text written in a certain formatting in Word, Excel or PowerPoint and another text written in another kind of formatting and you wish to copy the formatting for the first one to the second one, this has quite a lot of uses. Then instead of going through the longer method like changing everything in that text, all you need to do is use the format pointer option. So copy the first text, then click on this option here in the home tab, which is the format painter, and then click on the second text and it will automatically change the text. You can also copy and paste it to other texts using Ctrl Shift and V. Similarly for PowerPoint, you can copy the first text, click on Format Painter, go to the other text, and when you click on the other text, you'll notice that only the first word has been changed. But when you copy the whole text and press Ctrl Shift and V, it changes everything. The procedure is very similar for Microsoft PowerPoint. Copy the first text, click on Format Painter, click on the second text, it will change the first word, then click on the complete text or select it using Ctrl and A and then press Ctrl Shift and V. Alternatively, you can also double click on the first text and press Ctrl Shift and C instead of simply copying it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.